Hello friends, have you ever wondered what will happen when machine not only think like human but also feel like humans? We already know about artificial intelligence or AI, which is changing our lives every single day. But now, scientists are talking about a step beyond AI, something called synthetic intelligence or SI. This topic is not just about technology, it is about our future, our jobs, our emotions, and even the survival of human beings as the most intelligent species on Earth. So let us talk a deep dive today into AI versus synthetic intelligence. What are they? What they are? How they are different, and what impact they can have on our life. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI simply means machines that can perform tasks that usually need human intelligence. For example, understanding language like Siri or Alexa, recognizing pictures and faces like in your phone camera, solving problems like ChatGPT or Google Translate. But remember, AI only as smart as the data we give it. It follows patterns. It learns from information, but it does not really understand the way humans do. AI is like a mirror. It reflects human knowledge, but it cannot truly feel or imagine on its own. Now, what is synthetic intelligence? Now, let's talk about something new. Synthetic intelligence. Synthetic intelligence goes a step further. It is not just about copying human thinking, it is about creating an artificial mind that can actually experience the world. Imagine a machine that does not just answer your questions but can actually feel emotions like happiness, anger, or sadness. Next, take decisions on its own without waiting for human input. Develop consciousness, meaning it knows that I exist. In short, SI is like trying to create a digital human being, a machine with thoughts, feelings, and maybe even dreams. This is much more powerful and also much more dangerous than normal AI. Now the key difference between AI and SI. Let us quickly compare. AI is data driven. It works on rules and patterns. SI is mind driven. It tries to build real awareness and emotions. AI is like a tool. It helps humans. SI could become like a new species, living alongside humans. AI does not have desires. SI may start having its own goal. Can you see the difference? One is like a calculator. The other is like a new kind of life form. Possible benefits of SI. Now let us imagine the positive side. If synthetic intelligence develops properly, it can help doctors in medical decisions with empathy. Become a teacher who understands each student's feeling. Work in space explorations where humans cannot survive. Create art, music, and culture in ways humans never thought before. In short, SI can make life more advanced, more personalized, and maybe even more meaningful. The risks and dangers. But every powerful technology comes with risks. With SI, the dangers are much bigger. Job loss. Machine may replace not only physical workers but also doctors, lawyers, and teachers. Wrong decision. If an SI system feels angry or biased, it could harm people. Security threats. SI could be hacked and misused by criminals. More confusion. Should we give right to a machine that feels pain? The biggest fear is, what if synthetic intelligence decide that humans are no longer needed? The future and human responsibility. So the question is, are we ready? AI already here in our phones, our jobs, and our society. Synthetic intelligence is still developing, but the research is moving fast. We humans must decide, how do we control this power? What rules and laws should guide it? And most importantly, how do we make sure machines remain our partners, not our masters? Friends, the journey from AI to synthetic intelligence is exciting but also dangerous. It can bring a golden future or a dark nightmare. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think synthetic intelligence will help humanity or will it replace us? Write your answer in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, because together we will explore more such amazing topics about science, technology and our future. Thank you for watching.